So I will be taking you through the process of installing Power BI for Mac using Parallels. So Parallels is a VM, the virtual machine that allows you to run other operating system on your Mac. So let's start. So in your browser, you use Chrome or Safari. You just go to Parallels. I prefer to use Chrome basically. So parallels.com, and you get this screen where you see whether to run Windows on Mac, and then you just click on try free. Now, first of all, the application is not a free app, it is a paid one. So you definitely have to go on, you're going to pay for a license later on, but you can just try it for now. So click on try free. You click on trial, download trial, and it downloads it. So you see it's showing 3. I've downloaded it a couple of times before. You can so on your download, just double tap it. It should open up Power BI for Mac, and then you double click on this image. You see, I double tap that, and it opens up. It asks you if you want to, it's an app download from internet, all those warnings. So you click on open. It should show you this stuff. So now it's asking me to either disable or enable. Now you want to click on. Now these options are being shown to me because I have already installed Parallels Desktop. But for your own process, if you're just installing for the first time, this is the process you should get. So once you click on downloads, you can see follow up this prompt. You double tap, and then it should just take you through this process where you install. Once you're done initializing, it should open up and then ask you to install Windows. Now once you're done with installing Windows, that takes a while. It's downloading 4.38 gig, and you're done. So now we've downloaded the VM onto our system. Now you can close that, and then the next thing is to open up Parallel Desktop. Now I suspended Windows and is resuming. This is not the process you would go through while you're installing. This one, it will initialize basically if you're just installing for the first time, but trust you will see this screen. And in some cases you would see Microsoft Edge already opened. You understand? That's fine. Now note that you do not want to open up now when you're installing Power BI, you do not want to open up Chrome or whatever you use to download the VM, because that is running on your Mac. This Edge is now running on your Windows 11. You understand? 2 separate environments. So now what you do is that you go to powerbi.microsoft.com. It should take you to the Power BI page. Yes, so we are good there. So you click on product, you go to Power BI desktop. It should take you to Power BI desktop. Now you click on see download or language options. Now this is we're getting to Power BI download. So you select your chosen language. Mine is English, and click on download. It should take you to give you an option to choose the file type. I selected this one and I downloaded it. So for me, I've downloaded it before, so I do not need to re-download again. I just cancel that. And as soon as I was done with downloading, I just had to double tap. So once you're done with downloading, you click on your downloads and it shows up that you're downloading. Just double tap it. It opens up, take you through the installation screen to install the Power BI, and you are good to go. You can decide to close out your Edge, which is you can just use this and then hover over the Edge in here and then cancel. It should take you to your screen. So now I have Power BI desktop and I double tap it. So we'll allow Power BI to initialize for a while. That's it's going through its process. So let's wait a bit for that. So that should not take any long. Okay, now we're done. So this is Power BI desktop. You can now begin to use the application to do your work. So these are the normal registration process that you go through with Power BI. So that's it for this walkthrough.